Alright guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to be doing a quick demonstration. This is a 2014 VW Polo and we have the airbag warning light, as you can see on the dashboard right there. We're using the iCarsoft CR Max tool just to demonstrate this. If you are interested in this kit, just use the links in the description below this video. I'll pop the link to that kit. Now when you're buying these tools, make sure you're using the links in the description because there are fakes, there are clones, they can damage your vehicle. I've seen it happen and it's not worth going down that route, so make sure you're getting the genuine tool. This CR Max does cover all makes and models, so you can be sure that it's going to cover all of the vehicles in your little setup. So what we'll do is we'll go into Diagnostics. This car came to me with an airbag light on, so we'll first of all, I think we can diagnose it. What they did was they found a problem with the carpets. The carpets were wet, so they took the seat out. Obviously had to unclip all of the connections, and then when they popped it back in, put everything back together, the airbag light has shown up. You can avoid that by not starting the engine or disconnecting the battery before you do that, but this customer didn't. Well, I say a customer, it's not a customer, somebody I know. So we'll go VIN identify. You can either select the vehicle manually or you can get the tool to select it for you. So in this case, we've identified the VIN. We go straight to control unit and we're going to find the airbag system. So airbag system is, if we can see it, it's normally number 15, there it is. And we'll go read fault codes. So these are the faults we were getting. These are manufacturer specific faults: driver thorax, igniter, resistance too high, resistance too low, and but we have everything has been popped back together. So all we really need to do is just click on the clear fault memory. So when I do this, just keep an eye on the airbag light there. Clear fault memory, freeze code, fault code and freeze data will be erased. Are you sure? So I click OK. Erase operation done. Now you'll see the airbag light has gone off there, and that is pretty easy. And it'll do all systems as well, all systems for all vehicles, pretty much all vehicles in any case. But there you go, just a quick demonstration. So that's the CR Max. As I say, I'll pop the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching and I hope it helps.